Assalamu alaikum grade 5. Let's continue with our work. So far what we have been dealing with was proper fractions, right? So whenever we discuss fractions, our numerator, which is the one on top, was always smaller than our denominator, besides cases where we had maybe it being the same. Okay, now these are proper fractions. The next thing we are going to look at is improper fractions. Now, improper fractions are fractions where the numerator is bigger than the denominator. For example, 4/3. The numerator is bigger than our denominator. Okay? Now, it might be a bit difficult to understand at first, but I'm going to make it simple for you. So this here is called an improper fraction. Then we have fractions, or rather this type here, where we have a whole number and a fraction. Now, because it consists of a whole number and a fraction, this is called a mixed fraction. Now, what you need to know is that improper fractions can be converted into mixed fractions. Right? So, for example, let's look at our 4/3. This is an improper fraction. However, it can be converted into a mixed fraction. All we have to say is, how many times can 3, our denominator, go into 4, our numerator? 3 can go into 4 once. So we put that down as our whole number. What is remaindered afterwards? 1 is remaindered, and we just put that 1 over the same denominator. Let's look at another example quickly. Let's say 11/5. How many times can 5 go into 11? Let's count in 5s. 5, 10, 15. 15 is 2 over. It goes above 11. So we have to say 5, 10. That makes 2. So 5 can go into 11 2 times. What is remaindered? Because it goes into the 11 twice and the number is 10, 1 is remaindered, and we just put 1 over 5. So this is an improper fraction where the numerator is bigger than the denominator, and this here is a mixed fraction where we have a whole number and we have a fraction as well. Okay? So you are going to complete this activity here for me. So what they've done is actually make it very simple for you. They put it on timeline already. So all you have to do is locate the number. So 4/2 is the same as 2. Do you know why? Let's see. 4/2. How many times can 2 go into 4? Let's count in 2s. 2, 4. Twice, and it fits exactly in. So we are just left with 2. There is no fraction because we have no remainder over. Okay? So that's it for today. You guys are going to complete this. I am going to give you an enrichment activity as well. I hope you are understanding. Assalamu alaikum.